How to connect Squarespace to Microsoft Excel. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to connect your Squarespace website to Microsoft Excel. How we can do this type of connection and what is the purpose of it. We can do this type of connection by heading over squarespace.com, sign in for an account, choose up our website, and then we're going to have an API key from the settings. So we're going to head over the settings, click on the third or developer tools, click on external API keys. We're going to, not external, but basically developer API key. We're going to generate a key. We're going to set up the Microsoft Excel is going to have the generation of forms, products, inventory, orders, maybe transactions, profiles. We're going to generate the key. As you can see, test, we're going to give it a name, key, generate the key. We're going to copy it. We're going to head over a platform called Zapier. We're going to create a Zap, which is going to have the purpose of having the Microsoft Excel. So the trigger is going to be on Squarespace, either Squarespace Commerce or Forms. Basically, I'm going to have forms. Each one of the forms is going to be submitted. We're going to create a column on our Microsoft Excel file. So the event is going to be new form submission. The account is going to be the website. I'm going to reconnect my account real quick. I'm going to give it the API key that we have here. Boom. Now we're going to click on continue. You can go ahead and configure the values. For example, this is newsletter form. And you're going to test the trigger. It is going to be given the check mark. Boom. So the now the action is going to be on Microsoft Excel. So we're going to choose the event or the action, add row or add table, add row to table, for example. You can go ahead and sign in for a Microsoft Excel account or Microsoft in general. Then you are going to add the account, configure it, and set up the rows and also the exact formulas that you want to add them. You know, it is going to be very simple and easy to set them up. You only need to see the rows and also configure a sheet on Excel. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.